Ja.
Dogs love Christmas
Vi skal
too,
finde nummer...
just like me and you. No, they don't go shopping or hang
Yeah,
up a
number
stock, but there's lots
13.
of things they do.
13.
Out in Christmas
Der.
park, they all run and bark, 'cause they can hear a sleigh half a mile away, and dogs love
Wait a
Christmas
minute.
too.
Just wait a
When they
minute.
hear old Santa coming, all their tails will wag, 'cause he always brings them doggy treats in his Christmas bag.
What's this? Look.
They all
This one.
pause when they see Santa Claus. Oh, they just can't hide it.
Good
The puppy gets
dear.
excited. Dogs love Christmas too.
Here. Oh my goodness.